In this video I will show you how to disable any app on Android device. You can't delete some system apps that came pre-installed on your Android phone. But on some phones, you can turn them off so that they won't show on the list of apps on your phone. So, first of all, open the application screen. To do this, pull from the bottom to the top. Next, open Settings by tapping on the icon. Select the Apps section. Tap on the All Apps section. This will open a list of installed apps. By the way, subscribe to our channel to see more helpful videos. Let's continue. Select the app you want to disable. I'll take Google Chrome web browser as an example. Tap on the app. Once the app info screen of the selected app opens, tap on Disable. Then, in the confirmation screen that appears, tap on Disable App. The app will be disabled. To enable the app again, you need to tap the Enable button on the app info screen. Thank you for watching.